Eyescream, which if you don't know what Eyescream is, it's EYE Scream. It is a makeup box. It's $21.95 or $21 plus $8.95 shipping. So basically 30 bucks like most of them are. I quit BoxyCharm because I like this one a little better. BoxyCharm is getting more and more about skincare and less about makeup, and I prefer the makeup ones. I don't know if you can tell. I put this stuff on my hair that's supposed to turn it violet, and it didn't at all. It did make my highlights stand out a little more and make it a little darker, so I'm not unhappy with the way it looks. This is my new favorite way to wear my hair because these little things keep it out of my face, but it still is down. It's not up in a ponytail or something. So anyway, I took all the squigglies out. They had styrofoam squigglies in. And this is what it looks like. You get a little card that tells you what everything is. So let's see what we got. Floss. My new favorite lip gloss. Floss. Huh. It looks like it's clear or very light pink. I would never use this. I don't like lip gloss, and I particularly don't like goopy ones, and this is definitely goopy. I'm more of a barrel lipstick kind of gal. So this one will go in my 500 subscriber giveaway if I ever get there. I've been stuck at, I got to $4.99, and then we had that whole fiasco where YouTube took away like 40 subscribers, and I've been climbing back up, but I've been stuck at $4.90 for like at least a week or two. I mean, I just can't get past that point. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. This is also something that will go in. It's really cool though. Look at it. It's a mascara, but look at the container. I love that. It's taped shut, so I don't want to open it because I'm going to give it away, because those of you who watch me all the time know I don't wear mascara. Got this eye condition, and this eye in particular, I had shingles in it. I know, gross. And it jacked my eye up, and it made it super, super dry, so I'm always rubbing it. So half the time I rub off, I've got like eyeshadow on this eye, not on this eye, but definitely can't do mascara. I end up with black cheeks all the time. This one, I just said they didn't do skincare, and here's the skincare. It's Pure Plus Lano Natural Skincare Revitalizing Overnight Treatment. I'm terrible about using these things. I should, but I never do. Got a bunch of them sitting on my dresser. It's a pretty jar. This is probably going to go in my giveaway too. May or may not. But might. What does it say about it? Oh, I meant to tell you prices and stuff. The mascara, it says Illuminati Cosmetics Prism Mascara is $21. This revitalizing stuff, they say it's $55. Whew. And the floss lip gloss is $16. So we're already well past the 30. Just that one thing is double what I paid. Okay, we have Bold and Brilliant. I don't know what's in it. It's some kind of palette. And Poolside by IBY. So let's look and see what these are. Let's see. Gourmand Girls Bold and Brilliant Highlighter Palette, $24. I just got a highlighter palette that it was like this big, had all kinds of highlighters on it, so this one may go in the giveaway too. See, I've got all kinds of good stuff. I don't need to subscribe, so I can do the giveaway. Not doing it till I get to 500 and I stay there at least a week. Because you can get there and go right back down again, as my $4.99 shows. All right, let's open this baby. Ooh, those are pretty. Looks like a highlighter, a blush, and a bronze. 2 highlighters, a blush, and a bronzer. And it's got the little seal thingy on it. See, this little thing. But I wouldn't call that all highlighters. I would call that a blush, that a bronzer, and these two highlighters. I didn't touch them. I just touched the plastic. So this is nice. If I didn't already have a similar one, I would definitely keep this because it's sort of an all-in-one. Be great for a trip because, you know, got blush, bronzer, highlighters all in one spot. And that was, what did I say it was? $24. And last but not least, I always save the best for last. To me, eyeshadow palettes are the best. I'm going to peel this little plastic thing off to open it, but I may or may not keep it, but I didn't do anything with it. I just opened it. It's got those little half circle plastic thingies on it. Today is Thursday, so that means tomorrow, I haven't done it in a while, I'm going to do Fun Facts Friday if you're interested in that. My granddaughter's leaving tomorrow to go back to college. I've really enjoyed her being here this summer. I'm going to really miss her when she goes. Her other grandma and I are going to go down to see her in September, and my other granddaughter is also at college about 2.5 hours away from, you know, the two girls are 2.5 hours away from each other. So I asked her if she thought she could maybe come over because a friend has a house down where my granddaughter's going to college. And it's Texas A&M College, and her and her husband are both graduates, and their kids are graduates, so they keep a house down there to go to football games and stuff. And so I purposely picked a non-football weekend so that she's going to let us use her house. Ooh, these are pretty. Might keep this one. It's IBY Poolside. Aren't those pretty? I love that purple and that turquoise. Those are beautiful. That's one thing I like about Eyescream is they always give you a palette. It may be a small one like this, maybe a bigger one, although this one's got, what, 9? No, 12. Got 12. 12 pans. Take me a long time to go through 12 pans. I've got a whole drawer full of eyeshadow. I did a video once showing you all the junk I've got. And I've gotten a lot more since then. Alrighty, so we've got the palette. And then the blush and bronzer and highlighter palette. This $55 revitalizing lotion. Lip gloss and mascara, which I definitely am not going to use. I'll give them away one way or another. I've got our 15 subscriber collab. I had a winner, Amanda's Unboxings and More. She won 3 different things, and I won one. So when I get my stuff, I'll have to show you what I got. I won from, what's it called? She just changed her channel name. Living and Lovin' with Laura A. I think that's what it is. Or Lauren A. Living and Lovin' with Lauren A. I won her giveaway, so when I get it, I'll show you what I got. I was excited to win. I hardly ever win anything. But anyway, my winner had a choice of things, and she picked this palette and blush, but I'm going to throw some other things in. So some of these things I showed you may be what I throw in there. Well, there's also 2 other choices, and if you know, nobody picked them, they're gonna maybe go in the 500 subscriber giveaway too. So what do you think of Eyescream? I don't think I have a link to save you any money. I don't think they do that, but go check them out. I mean, let me add this up for you real close. I'll just guesstimate. Oh, the palette. It says the Poolside palette was only $20. And the highlighter palette was $24. Let's see. So 20, 40, 96, 120, $136 for $30. I mean, I'm not sure that this is $55, but this kind of stuff's expensive if it's got the right ingredients in it. I can't read the ingredients. It's look at the ingredients. It's like green on green or whatever. I can't read very well if it's like this where it's black on white. It's much easier to read than if it's a color on a color. Like I think this one was that way. Oh no, this one's not bad. It's black. It's on a color, but it's black. But when they put a color on another color, it's so hard to read. Anyway, that is it for my ice cream. Go check them out. I think you'll like them. I get them every month. I quit doing BoxyCharm and I'm doing this for a while. I don't know. I may change things up. But for now, I like ice cream. You get lots of fun makeup. And if I can't use it, like, for instance, these two for sure I won't use. I'll just pass them on to you guys. Tried giving them to my granddaughter and she didn't want them. So happy Thursday. It's almost there. Tomorrow's Friday. Woohoo! And come watch my Fun Facts Friday in a few hours. Love y'all. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Get me to that 500. And I'll have a big old giveaway with all kinds of goodies. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.